So, you're asking yourself, is it possible to rebuild trust after infidelity? It's a heavy question, one that carries a lot of emotional weight. The answer is complex, layered with many variables, but don't lose hope. While the journey may be tough, rebuilding trust is not impossible. The first step towards rebuilding trust is acceptance. It's crucial that both individuals acknowledge the infidelity, not to place blame, but to understand the pain it inflicted. Recognize that this breach of trust has caused a wound that needs healing. Both parties must agree to work together, to move beyond this hurtful incident. It's a collaborative effort, a journey taken hand in hand. Remember, acceptance doesn't mean forgetting. It's not about erasing the past, but about choosing to fight for the relationship. Once acceptance sets in, the next step is establishing open and honest communication. This doesn't merely mean talking, but also involves listening, truly listening. It's about expressing your feelings without pointing fingers, and it's about receiving what's being said with empathy, not judgment. It's about understanding and accepting the other's perspective. It's about creating a safe space where both parties feel heard and validated. And it's about commitment to this process, day in and day out. Remember, communication is a two-way street that requires both speaking and listening. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to rebuilding trust. It's crucial to remember that trust isn't rebuilt overnight. It is a process, and like all processes, there will be bumps along the road. There will be setbacks, moments of doubt, and periods of uncertainty. But it's persistence that paves the way to progress. It's understanding that every setback is a setup for a comeback. In the journey of rebuilding trust, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. So, to answer your question, yes, trust can be rebuilt after infidelity. By accepting the past, fostering open communication, and exercising patience, you lay the groundwork for recovery. With dedication, honesty, and time, it is indeed possible to rebuild trust after infidelity.